Hey, what's up geeks, this is Ian from PinoyMetroGeek.com and today we are trying to unbox the OPPO F7. Before anything else, if you're new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button for more unboxing, gaming, comparison, and review videos of the latest smartphones in the market. The OPPO F7 is the company's 2018 hero device. It's shinier, more good looking, and definitely the beef-up version of the last year's model. It's also more powerful with the new Helio P60 Octa-Core chipset and the 25MP front camera. And before we go to the actual unit, let's take a peek on what's inside the OPPO F7 box. The OPPO F7 box is quite similar to the company's previously released smartphone boxes. Yup, it's still clad in white with a slide-through cover, and the marquee features are printed on the back. Again, let me try to roll the OPPO F7 key features. Inside the box comes a smaller box which houses the SIM ejector tool, the manuals, and the soft transparent case. Underneath, we will find the AC power adapter, the headphones, and the MicroUSB cable. For the purpose of a family picture, presenting the OPPO F7 out-of-the-box items. Going back to the meat of this conversation, this is the OPPO F7 in Solar Red. Overall design, the smartphone is uniquely glossy and feels great on the hands. The downside? Well, the back panel is an instant fingerprint magnet. The OPPO F7 still employs the MicroUSB 2.0 port, together with the speaker grille, the primary microphone, and the 3.5mm headphone jack at the bottom. The handset has a dedicated SIM tray which can be found at the right side together with the power button. The left side is a home of the volume rocker while the top only comes with a secondary microphone. Its lateral sides are made of plastic which also features a silver band that runs around the entire frame. The OPPO F7 dons a plastic body with a shiny finish that is comparable to other glass-back smartphones. The display is still stunning. The OPPO F7 boasts 6.23 Full HD Plus display with 19:9 aspect ratio. To accommodate the notch, the screen is now taller compared to what we have from the OPPO F5. And speaking of the notch, you'll instantly see the striking resemblance of the OPPO F7 to the iPhone X. But unlike the Fruit company's notch, which houses a more sophisticated 3D camera, the OPPO F7 cutout only includes 25MP selfie camera, proximity sensor, and the earpiece. On the brighter side, the OPPO F7's notch is smaller and less intrusive. The OPPO F7 definitely one-up the model it's replacing with better camera intelligence stack with AI Beauty 2.0. So this means that the 25MP selfie camera can easily categorize gender, skin tone, age, etc. and apply appropriate filter using the software suite. And can I just say that the air stickers are fun to play with. The 16MP rear camera is also promising. Initial shots with a rear shooter produce great photos with good color accuracy, saturation, and contrast. Here are the sample rear camera shots and selfie shots of the OPPO F7. The ColorOS 5.0 based on Android Oreo powers the OPPO F7 in the software department. It gives the smartphone a smooth user interface and offers a lot of security features like the face unlock and the zippy fingerprint sensor. Stay tuned for the full review of the OPPO F7. We'll also be posting gaming tests with your favorite titles. You can also hit that bell icon to get notifications when we publish new videos. And as always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one!